Did you know that there is more than one way to join a class on Google Classroom? That's what we're going to take a look at today. Welcome back to my series on getting started with Google Classroom. If you have not had a chance to view previous videos, I'm going to link them up in the cards for you. Make sure you check out the whole series to make sure you are all caught up on exactly how you get to use Google Classroom in school. Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Danielle Rochford, and I am a grade 7 and 8 online teacher. And here on this channel, I get to make videos that help students, parents, and teachers with all things that are related to learning online. Today, we are continuing to take a look at Google Classroom. And what we're going to focus on today is the different ways that we can join a class on Google Classroom. So why don't we hop right into the computer here? Here we go. All right. So where we last left things off, we had just gotten our initial access to Google Classroom. Now, what you'll see here is that my dashboard looks a little bit different than when we last left off in the previous video, because my teacher has now invited me to join a class. And you'll notice here that that invitation is sitting right here on my Google Classroom dashboard. So if your teacher uses that method to get you connected with your classes on Google Classroom, all you need to do is access your Google Classroom dashboard. You will have a card on the dashboard that gives you the option to decline or join. And now, like I tell all of my students, we don't press that decline button because we want to join the class. So in order to join, all you need to do is click on that blue join button, which we'll do right now. And what that does is it connects you to your teacher's class, and it gives you a short overview of some of the different things that you can do in that class, and it brings you directly to the class stream. So that's the first way that we can get connected to a classroom on Google Classroom. Now, there is another way, okay? And I'm going to go back to my dashboard here, and notice there's no longer that join button here because now we are a part of this class. But say, for example, you had a teacher that gave you a join code, and you had to use that code to join the teacher's class. Well, all you need to do is go up to the plus button in the upper right-hand corner. And when you click on that, number one, make sure that you are signed in as the appropriate person. You don't want to be joining a class as somebody else. But I'm taking a look here, example student at rochfordondemand.com. That is the right account. And so what I'm going to do now is I am going to copy in the class code that I was given. I'm going to put that in there. All right. And then I'm going to click the blue join button. And as I do that, it works on connecting me to my teacher's class, and once again brings me to the classroom stream. And there we have it. Two very simple ways that we can use to join our teacher's classes on Google Classroom. Make sure you check out the next video in our series where we're going to continue looking at all the different things that we can do with Google Classroom. The next video is going to focus on bookmarking Google Classroom. And then after that, we're going to take a look at some of the differences between the classroom stream and the classwork page. Make sure you check out those videos as well. We'll see you again soon.